We are going to take a quick look at a 2017 SCM Pratix S15C. This machine does have a 5x12 capacity, which is going to give you 61 inches by 145 inches with 10 inches on the Z. The grid table is in excellent condition. I think we only saw one really small strike right here. You can fixture to this table. It does have pop-up pins. This is a lower use machine, and you really can tell by looking up at the boring block and at your spindle. That spindle is 11 horsepower. Your boring block is 3 horsepower. You have 7 spindles in the X-axis and 5 in the Y. If we look up overhead, you do have 14 positions for your tools. This machine does come with 10 tool holders. What's really nice about this machine is it is rather compact. We have the rear cover off. Both of your Becker vacuum pumps, which are 8.5 horsepower, reside underneath the machine, so they do not take up any more space. They run nice and quiet. All of your electrical is located behind this front panel here. It's easily accessible, and yet again, there's no separate control panel. This machine does have a rake. We did also bring the table they were using, the offload table, and we are including it if you want it. We do have the dust pipe that goes with this machine, including your ball joint, that flex ball joint. These are your 2 side covers. We do have all of the top rigging for this machine, manuals. And again, just ultra clean. I mean, if you look at the pendant, I mean, the pendant is in excellent shape, and this is the original pendant. And of course, you have your controls and touchscreen. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.